Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri and I read in class 10th in MD Secondary School Aduka. Today I want to tell Summary Chapter 2, The Thief Story. This is a story about a thief. The thief name was Hari Singh. Hari Singh was very clever and experienced in his work. He is only 50 years old boy. One day he meet Anil. Anil is a kind person and 25 years old young man. He was lean and tall man. Hari Singh tried to win Anil's trust, so Hari Singh said that Anil is a wrestler, but Anil does not reply. And he woke up there. After some time, Anil and Hari Singh between decided that Hari Singh can doing works Anil home. But Anil does not pay him. He get food to eat and place to live. Hari Singh is a thief, so he used to save money. If he bought supplies from the market, Anil wrote magazines and some books. One day he had sold a book to a publisher and Hari Singh saw him took the money under the mattress. He thinks that if he took the money, he could catch the 10:30 clock express to Lucknow. So he crept up to the bed and searching for the notes. When he found them, then he ran fast and he reached the station. He did not stop at ticket because he had never bought a ticket in his life. The train had picked up to speed and he should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But he hesitated for some reason and he lost a chance. After some time he found himself standing alone on the distant platform and thinking about Anil. That Anil will show only a touch of sadness after the thief. This sadness would be not for the loss of money but for the loss of trust. After some time he found himself standing alone the Maidan and sit down on the bench. The night was chill because it was early November and a light drizzle added to him discomfort. His clothes stuck to his skin and thinking about Anil. He was clever, but when he teach to read and write, so he is really big man, clever and respected man. So he head back to the room and feeling very nervous and saw Anil was already asleep and he crept up to the bed and slipped under with the notes. And next morning he woke up late and saw Anil had already made a tea. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. But Hari Singh was very heart sank. He think that Anil already know that he is a thief, so he heart sank. But when he give the notes and say today they will start the sentence, and Hari Singh smiled at Anil in his most appealing and Anil smiled.